Okay, na? Today I would like to explain the present perfect tense. It is very important for first year intermediate students. Here, present perfect tense. What is the meaning of present perfect tense? The present perfect tense, which is express just completed actions in the present time. Completed actions ni appude ayyiన పనుల్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేది వివరించేదే ఈ present perfect tense. Okay na? Best example is the bell has just run. The bell has just run. The bell is subject, has helping verb, run V3. V3 always followed in the sentence of present perfect tense. Has plus V3. Has plus V3, have plus V3 must be followed anytime, must be remembered, and all of you keep this important note in your mind. All of you ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. have తర్వాత V3 వస్తుంది, has తర్వాత V3 వస్తుంది. This is the best structure is subject place, has or have place, V3 place, object. Once again I repeat, subject place, has or have place, V3 place, object. The best example, the rain has just started. The rain has just started. This is the examination model. Now this assertive sentence is the positive sentence transform into negative sense. Negative లో ఎట్లా మార్చాలంటే the bell has not just run. The bell has not just run. బెల్ ఇప్పుడే మోగింది అని చెప్తే బెల్ ఇప్పుడు మోగలేదు అని చెప్పడానికి నెగిటివ్ మోడల్ లో మనం చెప్పేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? అదానికని ద బెల్ హ్యాస్ నాట్ జస్ట్ రన్. దానికి స్ట్రక్చర్ ఏంటి తెలుసా? సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ హ్యాస్ ఆర్ హ్యావ్ ప్లస్ నాట్ ప్లస్ విత్ ప్లస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. This is negative model. How to transform? He has completed his dinner just now. This is the assertive positive. How to transform into negative sense? He has not completed his dinner just now. Same as like the rain has not started. The rain has not just started. ఇది ఇప్పుడు మొదలవలేదని చెప్పొచ్చు. Next we'll come to interrogative sense. Interrogative sense means asking questions. ఓకేనా? ఏ విధంగా క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగాలి, ఏ విధంగా ప్రశ్నించాలి అన్నదే ఇంటరాగేటివ్ సెన్స్ లో మనం చెప్తాం. ఓకే, ఇంటరాగేటివ్ సెంటెన్సెస్ always started with helping verb. What are the helping verbs in the present perfect tense? చెప్పండి, tell me. What are the helping verbs? Has, have. Has is singular, have is plural. Now come to the same. How to transform the assertive sentence into interrogative? The bell has just run. Has the bell just run? Come to the structure. Has or have place, subject place, V3 place, object. Now transform other sentence. He has completed his dinner just now. Has he completed his dinner just now? Question mark. Okay, once again, the rain has just started. This is the positive. How to transform in interrogative sentence? Has the rain just started? Okay na? This is the explanation. And also, my dear students, all of you keep the important points, the subjects in your mind. Keep in your minds. See, I have always followed. Okay, I have, we have, you have, he has, she has, it has, they have. Okay, when you keep all the structures and subjects followed helping verbs into your mind, definitely you can write proper answers, proper sentence. You can communicate with others.